kidding me? That has got to be very, very sloppy, especially from a wicket-keeper. They're going to review it, but I think he's gone. Everything's about the timing of when he walked out. They need to roll that on because he also takes the stump out there.
Now what's happened here? Is this caught? Is it stumped?
It's not just sweet to get underway. Oh, he's caught. He's caught, but then what happened afterwards was out as well. So there's a double play.
Oh, well taken. He's done it. What a magnificent piece of work by Sangakkara. The ball spun a long way. He had to go way to... And he's pulled off a freak stumping.
Absolutely unbelievable. Brilliant, Sangakkara.
Oh, well done by Moray.
Out. He's been out.
He's gone. It hit the stumps. I didn't realise it hit the stumps. What a slick piece of work by Moray. He dived away. By Moray.
Yes, he did well. Very well. Look at that.
Oh.